when you look at multiple things happening the last few days around cryptocurrencies, for example, okay, you look at the AMC share price action, you look at, the GameStop share price action, well, you can have some takeaway, okay, and trying to, get to exactly the point where what is actually happening and maybe what is going to happen in the near future, right? First of all, by looking at the currency, the crypto world right now, for the last 7 days, we're looking at double digits downtrend. Like it's Bitcoin down 20% the last 7 days. It recovered today, but yesterday or the day before yesterday, it was down below the $30,000 mark. And on Ethereum, which at a point we're even trading around what 2900s, 26% down on 7 days alone, and then it goes on and on and on for almost all of the cryptocurrencies and the altcoins. So maybe here's the thing, guys. If you also look at AMC for the last, 5 days, you will see that we were on the downtrend as well since we hit that 65, and we're all expecting for the gamma squeeze to happen this week. That I'm not saying it won't happen, but just saying that we've been declining so far and reaching the lows around the 50s, where we should be trading at the 60s. So maybe it's not that of a coincidence when you look at the chart here for the crypto, for example. Everything is going down in the crypto world. And maybe this has to do, and this is my personal opinion, guys, this has to do with the big whales, Hedges or other institutions trying to get out in order to raise capital, because when you get a margin call, either you have to add cash, either you have to sell up other securities in order to prevent that margin call, or in order to, respect that margin call. Now, maybe because crypto is a market where a lot of players are way overextended, highly leveraged, using a lot of margin. Well, the news around China, doubling down on the mining crypto industry, not accepting crypto, well, that's not new news to me. This was already known last month. And back in 2018 and 2019, this also was already known. So the media may be trying to make it look as it is new, but it's not new news. So to me, it does make sense in a way, that maybe the whales, the hedges, and the big institutions are trying to raise capital in order to kind of prevent getting margin calls, especially when you have this rule, NSCC 002, that is to be in effect as of tomorrow, June 23rd. All right, guys. So I'm not saying that it's exactly what is happening behind the scenes, but I wouldn't be surprised if this is actually the case. All right. As a matter of fact, when you look at the stock grid, the dark pool activity, you can see that we've been going from 500 million shares to 446 million shares. So probably an additional $2 to $3 billion added to the position in AMC today. All right. So this is my personal opinion, guys. So let me know what you think. Maybe this rule will be a game changer, as a lot of people are expecting it to be on AMC play and GameStop and other highly shorted stock as well. But you just never know. All right. You just never know. And I guess we'll just have to wait and see. But let me know, guys, you think between this correlation between what is happening in the crypto world and AMC stock.